Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back after a week's break. So I was having a semester break and I literally wanted to take it all in, like, have some me time, rest up a little because the last week of my college has been crazy with assignments. This frame I got it from IKEA India, and this is something that I found on Pinterest and I just printed it out and put it inside. Now this one has been gifted to me by one of my friends. So this says you are born to shine, this says follow your dreams, they know the way. Absolutely true. And then this one says be a unicorn in a field full of horses. Then comes the most special one out of it all, of course, my silver play button. Now this is really special, so that's why it's in the middle of it all. And then here's another quote. Again, this one I got it off IKEA, like the frame, and this one I made it. Like, I really like this quote and I totally believe in it. It says what you seek is seeking you, which makes ultimate sense to me, so I wanted to have this on as well. Now this one has been empty ever since, so I am a big time believer of vision boards, so I wanted to get some pictures in here, which I'm gonna do super soon. I've just been postponing it, but I think I would like add some pictures which would make up the vision board. Right below my gallery wall I have this small seating area right here. I usually use it when I'm straightening my hair and stuff like that, and this cushion actually came with the room. I didn't really buy it. And then there's my laundry basket. Moving to this corner, so in this corner I have this basket where I've stored some stuff. So basically these are my books. Now this is my to-do planner, then this is the book that I'm currently reading. It's called Journey to the Heart by Melody Beatty. And then my most favorite book, The Secret. And then I also have some journals. This is my manifestation journal, this is my planner. Again, that's just a random notebook. Moving on, I have my supplements here, and then I also have some candles. Now this is again from Bath and Body Works, so is this one. And then I just have like teeny weeny bits here like pens and clips and stuff. And this is my moisturizer and an SPF, and this is basically a room freshener that I got off Miniso. So this basically has stuff that I would require on a regular basis. And then moving on, here is my mini fridge. It's not very well organized, but I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what all I have in my mini fridge. So that is palak dal, and then I think there is chicken in here, and yeah, like some pasta sauces and fruits and vegetables and coke and ginger ale. And this is a tea that I've been meaning to try. I might try it super soon. And then I have some nacho dip, and yeah, that's about it. And then right about the fridge, here is my bag that I use every single day because this is like my workout bag. I have my shoes in there, so yeah, that is something that I wanted handy, so I've kept it right about the fridge. Moving on, this is my side table. Now let me show you what all I have in here. Now this is my ultimate favorite candle these days. Now this is again from Bath and Body Works, and this is the green tea aloe variant. This is super calming. absolutely love it, and this is something that motivates me. So I've just kept like a frame of this in here, and then here is like this is actually my watch box, but I've stored some tidbits in there. And yeah, that's a lamp that I got along with the room. And that is my hairband. So yeah, basically this is how my side table looks like. This is my most favorite spot, of course, my bed. Yeah, kept it really sober and light and floral and pink. Absolutely love this corner. I've also added some fairy lights. I'm sure even if I switch it on, you guys would not be able to see it, and that's my Mr. Teddy. Yeah, so basically that is about it. And here I have my mini window. Yeah, like it's really bright and sunny outside. The weather is really good. Moving on to this corner, I have my suitcase in there, which has like stuff that I wouldn't wear, like winter clothes, because now I don't really think I would be wearing winter clothes. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is my treasure. This is exactly where I have my clothes, skincare, etc. So let me show you. Now this tray that you see here has the skincare and body care that I use on a regular basis. So I got this of Dollarama. Again, I've done a video, a haul video of Dollarama. If you have not watched it, I'm going to link it for you. My perfumes in there, my hairspray. Yeah, that's about it. And then I've just added some succulents that I got off IKEA, and this is like a random aesthetic frame that I have. And this corner is where I have some pictures of God. And yeah, so let me tell you where I have what. So there are like 6 different drawers, right? So in the first one I have all makeup and skincare and jewelry and accessories and stuff like that. Now the last one is miscellaneous. I have like detergent, like soap and stuff like that. Now this one, this one, this one and this one. So these 4 drawers are where I have my clothes. I think it's really personal. So I'm just gonna like skip that and yeah, move ahead. The last corner that's left out is this one. Now that cartoon box has my shoes and my sandals and heels and stuff like that, and that's the dustbin, and that's like a random kettlebell that I got off Dollarama. So basically this is my room, you guys. So that is the room tour, you guys. It's a very simple room and it's very cozy, and I like it that way. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and follow me on my Instagram. Bye.